Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which acts like a chatbot, and it has many inbuilt AI templates which will be act as a assistant for you to communicate, and also you can generate better codes using this AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Deep AI. So here you will be having this link, just to click on Deep AI. So after that it leads to the dashboard here. So here you can see AI chat is an AI chatbot that writes text. You can use it to write stories, messages, programming code. So you can use AI chatbot as a virtual tutor is almost any subject. So next one is that you can see generate code with AI. So this is the second option. So next third option is that explore different AI chat modes. So you will be having different AI chat modes here. So these are the AI assistants and chat modes. So AI debate, AI translate, AI terminal, AI plagiarism checker, AI philosophy teacher, AI proofreader. So like that there are different options are available with that particular segment or subject. So you can make use of this AI characters also. So let us explore one by one. So first we will explore our chatbot by giving a common research prompts. For example, I am going to give a normal topic which we often use it to give. Explain about renewable energy. So let's click on go. So let us see how it will generate content, whether it will generate the content as like this ChatGPT. Yes, our content is started to generate it. So here you can see renewable energy is energy that is generated from natural resources that is replenished over time and do not deplete like fossil fuels. Some examples of renewable energy sources include solar, wind, as like we often use it to generate the content in the topic renewable energy. It is generating content like that only. So here you can copy this content and you can paste, or else you can give on summarize. So it will go for summarize option and it will summarize your content. So like that you can, by giving a prompt, you can generate better answers. So next what I am going to give is generate and thesis outline for the title grid connected, or else I will give some other topic, machine learning algorithms for controlling robots. So here you can see our content is generated. So here you can see, so here introduction, next overview of the topic, brief background, purpose and objectives of the study, research questions, scope of the study. Next you can see literature review of related studies, researchers and literature, theoretical framework, key concepts and definitions, discussion of machine learning algorithms, types of autonomous robots and the relation to robot control. So next you can see research and design, sampling and population, data collection, data analysis, experimental procedure in testing machine learning algorithms on robot. Next you can see results and discussion part, presentation and analysis of data, interpretation of the results. Next discussion of findings and their implications for robot design and control, comparison of machine learning algorithms used and their performance in different robots. Next conclusion. So like that it will generate a better content only. So this will be a very brief outline for a thesis. So you can make use of this option that is using this chat option in this Deep AI, and you can generate a better content by giving a better research prompts, thereby you can get best results out of it. So this is all of the first option. So you can use this chatbot wisely to generate a better content. So next one is that, so here you can see code with AI assistant. So click on that code with AI assistant. So here you will be having options, create a, you can give what is the code you want in the different languages. So here you can see starting from C, C++, there are different options are giving. So even Python, JavaScript, Kotlin, so TypeScript, like that different options are given. So here you will be having junior engineer mode or genius mode. So like that you can give a topic here. So let us see how it will work. So for example, I am going to create a program on swapping of two numbers. So here I am going to click Python. So I am going to explore it as a junior engineer and then click on create. So here you can see, so here you can see the Python code is generated. A is equal to B, sorry, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. So A equal to B equal to B. So like that it will give some conditions. So after swapping, it will print that content. So here output, click on run button to see the output. So in this you can have a run button also. So you can execute your program here itself. So I am going to click run button. So here you can see after swapping how your output will be. So here itself you can see. So let us explore with some other language. For example, I am going to give JavaScript and then going to give create. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see this is the JavaScript. Let A equal to 5, B equal to 10. So A comma B, B comma A, console.log A, console.log B. So after I am going to click run button. So here your output will be generated like this, 10 and 5, as it is swapped alternately. So like that it will swap. So next I am going to explore with this C, basic thing. So and then click create. Here you can see include as like in C language integer main. So like that it will initialize. After that temp A, temporary variable is equal to A equal to B, B equal to temp. After swapping, so it will print the data. So I am going to click run. Here you can see before swapping A equal to 5, B equal to 10. After swapping A equal to 10, B equal to 5. So I have given it for junior engineer. So here you can select in genius mode and you can generate very better codes. For example, only I have done here. So our videos watched by people in many engineering streams. So I have given a simple example only. So those who are in need for use this program in your applications, so you can give your input prompt, that is program title here, and also select the language in which the program could be generated. So you can generate program here and you can execute whether that works out or not here itself. So it will be a very better option for the coders who are struggling to, that is, find a better code. So you can use this option to generate a better code by giving an input prompt only. So make use of this second option to generate better code for your papers, research papers. So the next third one is that, here the third one is that characters with AI, that is AI characters. For example, say as far as research is concerned, so we need proofread, that is plagiarism check, like that only. So I am going to check for proofread. So here you can see need help checking your work for any spelling, grammar or punctuation errors. Presenting a proofread will give your feedback and on any text you provide and help you to improve it. So I am going to copy and paste a random content. So for example, I will make a spelling mistake here. So let us see how it will that is overcome that spelling mistake. So I am going to copy the content. So going to paste here. So click on go. So it will check all the things related with the particular paragraph. So here you can see the photovoltaic as a photovoltaic system, also known as, also we have told that PV system, we made a spelling mistake, it is corrected here, and also known as. So here the grammar, it will correct it grammatically. So like that it will correct the sentences grammatically, and you can make use of this option to proofread your research paper easily. So next you can give summary. If you want, you can give summarize, or else you can copy the content and you can paste for your research paper. So the next option we will try, that is AI plagiarism checker. So AI plagiarism checker will help you to quickly classify the written text as plagiarized or not. So I am going to copy the same content and clicking go. So undetected in plagiarism checks, it is not generated by AI, so it is undetected. So if it is generated by AI, it will check that is plagiarism, that is your content is plagiarized. So apart from that, you will be having different options like AI debate, AI translate, AI comedian, AI poet, if you even AI drunk friend. So it's a weird option. So if you want, you can use any of this option. If you are struggling in maths, you can use this AI maths teacher. So like that, you can make use of this option to make your research article writing very better. And even this will be not only a tool for researchers and academicians, it's a best tool for students also. So you can make use of this option in this three very better option. That is chatbot. The second one is that program code generator. Next, the third one is that your AI characters. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and give a like if you are if you are interested and wish it in this video. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.